Okay, so today we're gonna show you how to fix your Fightstick Alpha by Madcatz. So as you guys can see here, the bolt top broke. I tried to glue it back, but you can't really do that because it's just not right. I tried to buy one that looks like this blue one here. However, you can't really put it because it still has the other part that broke in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to open it, and we're gonna have to take out the top part, and then we can screw in the ball that I got. You are gonna need some tools that you see right here on the screen, and make sure that you guys have a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I have here a small Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna fast forward the video so it won't be so boring. Make sure that you know that when you open this, you lose your warranty. So if you're gonna do it, make sure it's for you and not to sell. Okay. So here you need the flathead screwdriver here. You must put it on the bottom here, and then I am gonna use pliers to turn it. Make sure you push in right here, and now you need your pliers right here. So I'm gonna fast forward a little bit of the video, but basically just hold it tight, look right here, right, and then turn it. So I'm doing left, and then watch, it's gonna come out. There, it's coming out. You guys see it's coming out? See, it's coming out. Get in there, almost there. So then you can just drop it. Okay, it's done. Now you took that out. I actually took this to somebody to fix it. They said they couldn't fix it, so I had to fix it myself. So now you see that I can screw this in because I have a female there, right? So the male here, I'm gonna screw it in, and now it's ready. Watch, I'm gonna screw it in. I'm gonna fast forward. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. And just like that, you guys, in less than 2 minutes, you have it fixed up. Come on, let's go. This video took me about 30 minutes, but I condensed it to 3 minutes. So hope you guys enjoying it, and if you are, please give it a like and subscribe. So let's continue. I'm gonna tie it up right here. Okay, there, and it's not loose anymore. It fits perfectly. I got this one in Amazon. I think it's 8 millimeters. The 6 millimeters also fits, but I kind of like this one better, just a little bigger than the smaller ones. There, so I'm gonna just screw back in the screws. Notice that the middle one in the middle there, it's lost the warranty once you open it, but there it is. It's working properly, you guys, and that is pretty much it. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with other people. So this is it. The buttons are working fine. It didn't take that long, as you guys can see. So this is the box for it, and it works for PS3 and PS4. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.